morning. Hey, good morning. Day 2. It's June 30 at 7:18. We're gonna eat breakfast. Our morning view. We're just gonna eat breakfast here. Because it's gonna be a long day. Looks like that's the breakfast station. So, good morning. Yeah, may bahay. Kasi syempre masyado tama. Okay, we're having breakfast. Pwede ba ulit niya? So, this is my breakfast. My waffle. Okay.
Dito, bayan na ka mangan. Masaya mo sa kanya?
Yeah. I can finish this all. I'm not gonna eat lunch. This is my That's why my face is getting puffy. Yeah. But for tomorrow, we're gonna go early. Very early. I know, on Wednesday. Okay, so we just finished our breakfast. Thank you, Lord. Nice summer, nice sun. Kaya ating. Where's ating? Hey, let's go. Breakfast si Daddy. Kita tampat yun.
Breakfast na ibang kanito makakabibiyang ng burino.
Swapin eh. Okay, Glenn first namin. It's breakfast. Ning limit of 1 egg only. Limit of 1 egg only. And potato. Okay, on this side. And that's good na. Pwede kang pancakes yun. Get to na. There. Oh, there's a sausage. Maybe you want coffee? Pwede ka? How many tea do you like? Cream. How many tea? Habis cream. Gulungan. Ay! Neng, are you okay? You said it so much. Whoa! Kasi nandun sa radio pa, Neng. Bukas pala, kasabay-sabay tayo na mo kayo ng mag-breakfast, Neng.
Nandi sarado yung makasarado.
Neng, ah. Oh, look at that. Radio pala.
Tingluklok ko, kini ko.
Nagbenta niya yung Kuya Glenn, mga
Hindi, maglakad na ako.
Ali! Ikar-karabi mo eh.
Itang wapol na ko, yung makapatong yung pakyan, makatakon tap yun. Papayakos na kanganan din eh. Kaya, bulo ko. Koron.
Wow! Carson, tinod kang kumpanyan eh, Car? Ha? After 14 hours of drive, so si Carson is having his breakfast. And Daddy! Neng, good? Good breakfast?
Ani Jeff, anti yung penigaralan ko dati.
You miss adobo?
Ay, tang dadalang kong buto la do buwete.
Chukerep, Neng.
Papabinyita kan siya.
Jepo, you are.
Kaya sabi nila,
This is our nice, decent room here in Canmore, Car. So, room tour. It's so messy. Two queen beds. It's the decent room, especially with pet friendly. Most important is pet friendly.
guys, send yan.
Me, I can sleep wherever, but my Carson, he needs a comfortable space to sleep. Okay, let's go now. Yep. So our itinerary: breakfast check, Then we'll go to Canadian Tire and buy a bear sprayer. And after that, huh? Water here. Yan eh.
Cart.
Okay, water for Carson. And water for myself today. Can you, okay?
Sabi ko luglukin ka.
Kasi it's gonna be a long day. Kaya magaling ka.
Gugulo mo.
I brought mine. Straight up.
Makinom na mo. Dala ko namin itang kain. Parcel.
This is the water.
Person, we're early person.
Ay, sama. Let's find out where's the water.
Ay, siya pala. Balang ay siya mo, no?
There's so big water. When I'm cold, there's some free water and ice.
Itang kaya itang magmo sulalan mo. Kaya sa kasi. Hey, what's up? How are you, Teng? Good, thank you. Oh, good, fine, thank you. Magkait na mo, mag-stairs na mo. Okay.
8:20 in the morning. Wait, Carson.
Nothing is here. Person is in the house. Not in the house, in the hotel pala. So siya si Carson. Naka-hotel. Carson, how are you? Abalo ko na. Makinom ko king mag ng Carson. Carson. Mami. Carson. How are you, Carson? Nasa dito rin plants, oh. Saging. Char. View from the back of hotel. So nice. Look at those. Whoa. Switzerland. Eme.
Kaya pala, marami.
Practice lang. Practice for Switzerland ba to, ma'am?
Yes.
Oh, yes. How nice. Thank you, Lord.
Ay, dalang ko niya kay marami.
Look at that. Room 206. I think we're here. Kanita mo, diba? 206?
Yeah.
Right here.
Ano yung tumagwa? I think you can cross. I think you can cross the railway. Oh, no, water. Let's put this water. The water bottle.
Carson. How is Carson?
Maglakad ka mo muna sa Canadian tayo.
Let's go.
Walk. We're going to walk. Walk. Thanks. Pati kayo biniling kay. Okay mo, mayanya mo naman ko. Ali, mayanya mo.
O sige, kabit ka. Wala ka lang bit-bit na.
Kaya nga, tayo pa kasi dala na.
Abala, alam.
Okay, so yeah, like what I said, we're gonna go to Canadian Tire and buy a bear spray. It's a must when you go for hiking or go for a walk around the park. Hopefully, because di ba in Canadian Tire opens at Karen, but we can check it out. East Indian cuisine. Do you want to try that? Spice hot. Moisture. See if we can get by. Carson, no? Carson is living the best life. He is here in the Canadian Rockies. Ano? Living the best life. Oh. What? What?
Canadian tayo.
Okay, so from time to time, there's always a train. I think mga
Ulayan tayo.
mga 4 a.m.
Sagli ka mo.
Kaya may umiling at 4 a.m.
Kanya man ko tudtod pin. Andiyan next.
Kaya tignan
Ako dahil nga talaga sa rin.
May tatlo.
Okay.
Pera.
So I would recommend this Canmore Insuit for the pet friendly, and it's a decent price. Because I check on hotel, Banff Hotel. Huh? Banff. It's just crazy expensive.
Ba yun eh?
Yeah, Canadian Tire. Yan yung, baka yung front na yan eh. Ayun o, din yung gaya na ng Canadian Tire, diba?
Ito pa. Kaya niya.
Punta lang tayong kaing front na. Okay. We're gonna go to Quarry Lake and then Lake Moraine, and in the evening explore Banff. That's the itinerary today. Morning. Okay, so this is the back side of Canadian Tire. You have to use the entrance. There's the Safeway outside Canadian Tire, and see, that's our room, hotel room, one of those windows. So it's very convenient. Safeway? Beside Safeway?
May Starbucks eh.
Ha? Wala ta? Favorite? Your favorite? Oh. Starbucks. Okay, so gonna go to Canadian Tire and buy a bear spray. Oh, look at the view. Carson is living the best life. We drive 14 hours and more. Ah, no, Neng. Sorry, not in here. No pets allowed in the store here. No backpacks. Okay, you just wait for me here. I'll just buy a bear spray. Na? Yeah. The Canadian Tire here is different. Pets are not allowed. Okay, so I'm just gonna go get the bear spray. Okay, check out. Okay. And any cashier.
Picturean ako ko saan. Sure, Canada shirt oh.
Which one?
Red
Oh, we are ready for tomorrow. Ah, kasi after Lake Moraine, our tour is until 3:15.
Okay.
And then after that, we're gonna go explore Banff. Huh?
Hanapin mo kape.
Ay, next. The bear spray. So this is a registered weapon. And oh, look at that! Oh, yeah. I was saying this is a registered weapon.
Ano yung Tim Hortons?
Tim Hortons? Well, for sure there's a Tim's here. It's $73. 73 plus tax. I asked because I asked on how to dispose it if you don't use it. What would you? No, but if you ginamit mo ni kay it's registered with me. If something hurts or as it's me, that's why they have a serial number. So, but that's okay. Nan mo wari makapag-encounter kang bear. Balo mo yesterday kang feature, one of the bear was walking around kay Ketang Fairmont Hotel. That's Nete. Sam, pero Sam kaya nga kay, this is a protection.
Pero dating kabalik ka rin eh.
Yeah. Which one eh?
Nakalabalay ko nga.
No, nahirang balikin. No. Alala rin. Bato-bato la rin.
Malabo ka tama. Taka nakalabali.
Where? Where are the houses? Nandun na rin balik. Ang talo.
Anong balaboy?
Yung babo. Ayun, nung kararang yung libutan. Dahil naman kaya tinakatori.
Ning, baka kaila rin, kila bawal.
Ayan, ang bali.
Ning, malati lang kay rin. Kasi Ning,
Hindi pala mo tipin.
Bali, kala po mo nung mata.
okay, we're having we're having a discussion.
Kung bubong singit-singit. Kasi
Yan eh. O, tara na. Carson would wanna go for a walk. Later.
bukas.
Later after
Di
nun,
sa
okay?
exploring tayo.
Bisan eh. Tomorrow, we will explore Calmore, around Calmore the whole day.
Di balik po ta kayo ni.
Na?
Para makapag-walk tab.
Kasi after Moraine Lake, we're gonna explore downtown Banff. So after we explore Banff down.
Bagong taon na ito eh.
Kasi naman tomorrow we have the...
Ito doon dumo pa din alpang balik yung babo.
Because tomorrow we have the whole day here, so...
Wow, ating.
Okay, we're fighting here na about the houses.
So, ito lang piban dyan kayang babon eh.
Okay, so on our way to Quarry Lake for Carson. We're gonna try Carson before we go to Lake Moraine.
Bang libutan ko ang car ka. Baby boy.
Uy, kalakalala kayo yung sa akin eh.
Malawak na.
Tama, tanong na yan.
Water? Poto, ilagay ako. Tapos itang water ko. Danam ng Daddy Glenford.
Maloko nyo kami.
Ha? Abi kayo? King Lake Moraine. Baka abi tamo, di ba? Balan. Thanks sa akin na ka.
Siyempre, dalang ke. Burig makabakpak. Lalo na lalo. Magaling sa
Go to the gas. We have to refill our gas. Okay, KFC.
Something ng bundok. Naitang
Yeah.
bala mo kinala.
So, sa dito kayong ice cream thing.
Bala mo.
Yeah.
Miraculous.
Bala mo artificial bundok ya. Kasi
Kaya pa kano, aliwa pa kano yan, tayong imbang pa talaga,
kasi
tapos yung
bala
ice
bundok kita
fill.
natin dikot. Kaya bala mo fake bundok.
Tamang drawing.
What
Yeah. Pero Kai, the video cannot do justice. Talagang you have to see it na.
Yeah, that's it personally.
What can you say, Nang? Yes, yes, yo, amo. What about you, Carson? Yes, yes, yo. We're way to Quarry Lake. This is it. Yan yung Fairholme Drive, eh.
Turn left onto Fairholme Drive.
Yeah,
Take the
this.
next left onto Fairholme Drive. Continue for 2 kilometers. Continue for 2 kilometers.
30 pa din.
Anong klase yan?
Adwa klase nga yun, tiro pa ko kaya kamong gilid, eh, keso pa ko. Binigyan yung space dahil tangkot sa bangya na pagpapalik ang yun. Yun pala pwede mo pa. Okay pa sa
Oo, Carson. Ako mapsina ako, manyakay na ako ng fruits eh.
main body.
30 mo din eh. 30 nga.
Fruits, I think, ganito.
It's
Sa
only
bola,
30.
yan na. Press mo yung pangkakrumas. Alam, sabihin sa bola. Nakuman, kasi lalasa lato. Makita mo mo na kali. Matyan, aliway lang magluto. Ang karing lata. Hindi kay lasa mo
Yeah.
lata, kaya ako bilang. Yung masasaling dilata.
2 kilometer.
Kaya natin nilaging split eh.
Okay. 30. Unless otherwise posted. Kung tatapo ta kaya natin nga aking wala pa po. This is the Canmore Engine Bridge.
Excited ni.
Excited ni Car. He's very excited for Guy because I told him earlier, Carson, ako will gonna go
Excited ni.
and play to the PARK ako.
Meters, turn left.
Nakula.
Isa pa yung pagsabihan ni Tagalog ito.
Sabihan ko lang kasi gitnan ko lang kung kailangan ng mayat ka ni Naskis. Kung kailangan kong ka ni Naskis, pass kayo ng kay Quarry.
Sabi na namin.
Kasi ikit ko naman yung website niya mo siya Tepota mas bago. Tepota ma-charge na. Kung kailangan mo mukha ng mayat ka parking fee. Make sure you pay the parking fee. Okay. Kit din yung mag-left ka rin.
Take the next left, then you will arrive at your destination.
Nang-bike parking ka na.
One natin. Quarry Lake P. Na may dam. Pay. Parking.
Akin, ating bayan.
Ito ba libre?
Eh,
You will arrive.
kung bisa ka libre, ma-charge na ako. Yun, okay. We are here, Quarry Lake. Oh, Caro, lots of playmates,
How
so.
many hours?
Hala naman ka. 1 hour tama mo kayo. Dapat we have to leave 10 o'clock. Kasi matatamuli kitang hotel for our shuttle.
May different pang.
Kaya daw.
Yeah.
Okay, happy here.
Aka. Aka. 2 hours na.
2 hours. 2 hours na lamang 1 hour. Sige. Press that. Yan. Confirm.
20.
Oh, 10 per guy. Okay, insert me.
Oh,
Be a good boy, car.
stop now.
Authorizing. Seating operation.
Dun.
Thing. Test. Registered na ka na.
Hey.
Tara. Printing receipt. Okay, maybe not. Ito, let's go.
Ito kayo pa makasaray ang kaigan ko sa akin.
Galing tayo.
Wala nang ink na. Atan?
Galing.
Kakali na yung makaregister na eh. They're just scanning it.
Ito man lang ako yung halawa.
Kaya nagdalang English ng karkar. Ako nang
Kawali
matula.
ko mo.
May ate yung muntakang karta.
Mo yung basura.
Kapogi na.
Ito.
There. Okay, good boy.
Good boy. Carson is a
Good boy. Ha? Fertilizer?
Kailangan magdala eh.
Wala mo na.
baluga.
Eh, kung balo ko nung karning English, so dalan tayo na para sure.
Wala ka ganun eh.
Hello! We're here at Quarry Lake for Carson. We're gonna tire him. Tita! Bigla na nga. So, we have 45 minutes to walk around here. Carson! Go run!
Leader, Rana.
Don't worry.
Oh, then galing na.
Got your back.
Tintang kahit tayong protector eh. O kaya eh.
Alam mo, isado na yung
Alam mo, kabisado din eh.
Hindi kini ka, Car.
Yung kanay-kang paninok na niya, balo na oh.
mga dati ang kain. Mag-aikli pala dati yung unang kain.
Ay, Neng. Oh, living off Lish Park. On Lish Park ini, Neng. Kaya niya yung on Lish. Miss Pet must be on Lish. Neng, ko na may car. Car, come here. Let's just stay here. Kaya itala mo, car.
Kasi pili ko, pinating tayo kini, natin na yun.
Wah.
Kini la rin, pero.
Ano yung bata?
Oy, Lish mo ni car.
Mabit na lang yung pain eh.
Okay.
Nagtatalang ko nga.
Siguro lapitan daw, guys.
Eh, ganyan talaga. If it's your time, it's your time.
Person.
At least, thank you, Lord.
Ako na mo ko, sige, sa
Ano
ibang
pa
kaibigan.
katambay?
Wah.
Hindi, ako na mo ko, ibang, ali, di ba?
Ako na. Wow. Ako naman yung videographer. Mag-hiking tayo. So, 45 minutes hike. Dun, 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 dun. Dapat ka nung may ngeta mo. Para, wala lalapit kasi kahay. Wow. Wow. Pag sounds tamo. La 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 la. Apat, apat eh. Okay, this is Onlish area. Whoa, unbelievable, breathtaking view. Alam mo. Are you having fun, Car? Carson is having fun. Car. Ano eh? Oh. What can you say, Neng? Nothing. Speechless.
I'm looking for something unique.
Unique? Oh, you face here. Neng, you face here. Look at me. I'm very unique.
Yeah, that's this endangered.
Endangered species. Neng, alimineng. Puta, may nakit kang kali. Kali ko naman. For the parking. Wala kasing 1 hour muna.
Wala naman dito.
Pwede mo palang kain na dinultan niya yung off-leash day ano.
Ano ba? Ating pangarin nga. Ito tatamo mo.
Sabagay, shortcut tapo mo na.
Ating pangalawang way.
This is the shortest way. Let's just look for a playmate car.
Abili daddy, no? Kailangan ko. Gagana ka ako.
Ay, yung off-leash na yun eh.
Office.
Yan, off-leash.
Office niya pala yun eh.
Yan. Okay, this is off-leash park. Enjoy!
Saman diluya.
Ah,
Diluya Carson, no?
Kaya no, no,
do not do that na. Na, biyasa tayo.
Ay, biyasang kawin, tita.
Aliyah.
Ay, abe.
Carson! Uy,
Carson na itang netong, oh. Kakaya na yung ngiki ng Carson, no? Buri nila uwi nitong Halen may Carson. Carson.
Oo.
Ay, cute na nita, oh. Carson, cute na.
Yabang na kapat mo eh.
Ay, magkatayo. Magkatayo, Carson. Ay, minom na yun. Payaman tayo. Oo, malinis yung danong ko.
Ang daki.
Ganun ko eh.
Ay, kami ah.
Kakatulay. Inuman, no pala.
Are you happy, Carson? Ay, sako. Walang pusa. Kakit na ho. Kakit na. Ano ka na niya dagulin niya. Ano ka na niya latin.
Ay, tapang.
Katapang na.
Time check, it's 9:30. Still have 30 minutes here.
Dang.
Katapang na nita
Okay,
Carson.
thank you. See, got mo na.
Carson is thirsty.
Sit down, sit down. Sit down.
Thirsty, yeah.
Saan ka nga ng bundok kayo din eh?
Three sister.
Pero, dahil tatlong ano,
Tatlong Maria.
tatlong Maria.
How they,
Ha?
why? Why they call this?
I don't know. I have to research. I have
One Maria, second Maria, third Maria. Yun ba yun? Third Maria. Oh.
Hey. Later, pag may lahat ng washroom lang, you can remove your...
Wala ako short.
Ha?
Oh, I didn't bring short.
You didn't bring short?
Okay.
But we can, ay, tayo na makapagbalik pala.
That's okay. Ay, makapalaban na din sa patot mo.
Wape na yun. Mga palaban lang.
Ay, ginamit mo, wala pang hike dyan.
Matis lang eh. Magdala akong chinela, saka lang kumewan. Sobrang yun.
Ay, sabi niya na lang.
Bambara mo.
Ay, di exercise niya. Agwita ko muna magsalita na ako magsalita.
O, tara.
Ito naman maliit.
Umuri na lang.
Let's remove his leash. Ah, let's go.
Tulong ko pala.
Good boy. Oh, you wanna go say hi? You say hi. You be a good boy. Think he's following you. Hello. Hello. Oh. Hey, you can play car. You can play. You can play to the your playmate. Oh. Playmate. Huh? Ayun, let's sit down there. Picture tayo ating ka rin.
Mas masarap.
Ayan, yeah, go run. Good boy. Good boy. Ano tayo?
Passionate about family, friends, air dogs, and mountains. Miss you forever. May naisip kay Carson, na kanya friend.
Nasa lilong na eh.
Yeah, wants to go to the shades. Car.
Carson, mapagana ka.
Yeah. He's tired na.
Carson, mapagana ka.
Oh my God, Carson. At yun na yung gaming yan, tingnan ang superstore dating ay.
Hmm.
Kainawan na eh, pag yun na nabuli.
Carson, mapagana ka.